love you.
I love you.
I love you. Do you have the hiccups?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're doing a nighttime routine of our little family of 4. Today we're starting off at about 4:30 in the afternoon. We were out all day and now we're home. We got out some toys. I'm gonna pick up from where I left off. I was doing some laundry earlier. Here I am, just kind of picking up at, you can see on the clock, it's 4:44. So yeah. My husband does get home around 5:30-ish, so that's when dinner will be ready, and you'll see in this video as well. Today was a pretty good day because I really thought ahead, which I have to admit I don't normally do, but I had a one-pot wonder in the oven cooking all day, so I really didn't have to prepare around this time, otherwise I'd be cooking dinner. But that's just in the oven, pretty much ready to go, and so here I am just putting away the last of the kids' laundry. Now I have to admit, our family nighttime routine doesn't always look this pretty, but for the sake of YouTube, making a video, and for sweet memories, obviously this was a really, really good day, and I'm really glad that I captured it all on camera. And when we're having a great day, this is exactly what it looks like. When we're having a kind of chaotic day, it can look a little different, but here's what today looked like. Do you want some tomato? No?
Awesome.
Bell pepper? Say pepper, please. Here you go. Say thank you. Good boy. Guys, Daddy's home. Oh, Brooks, do you see Daddy? Can you hear his truck? Daddy's home. Who's out there? Where is he?
Hey.
There he is. Tasty? Good, I'm glad you like it. Let's pull your chair up a little closer. Okay. Don't take his food.
You want it? Too bad.
You're mean.
You want your nose?
Good job. Hey, which one do you guys want? Do you want Smarties? Smarties. Jake wants Smarties. Brooks, do you want this one, the cookies and cream, or do you want Smarties too? Smarties? Time. Now is usually the time that I turn to Mike and say, okay, do you want to go upstairs for bath time, or do you want to stay downstairs and do dishes and pack lunches? And he will always, without fail, pick to go upstairs and sit and watch the kids splash and be cute, and I get to do all the dishes. Yay! I'm just kidding, I'm being sarcastic. I love when he's home because we do get to split the work like this and get things done more time efficiently. bedtime, we usually try and wind the kids down a little further, brush their teeth, lay with them for a little bit. Brooks, we usually don't have to lay with. He's really independent. He just goes in his little room, close the door, and he's good. Jake will then do a quiet time with a puzzle in his room for an extra 20 minutes to half an hour.
You have to flip them over.
That's right, flip them over.
Come on, let you go with me?
Okay.
Yeah, because that'll be fun. There we go.
Good job.
Just this spoon. That one will go right over.
Good job. Wow! Jake, you did amazing. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. Do you have the hiccups?
I want the door open. No monsters to come in.
You want the door left open so no monsters will come in? Okay. I'll just be down the hall, okay? Okay. Good night, I love you.
In record timing, now we have some adult time, and usually we'll just, I don't know, chill out. It's the winter, it's dark, it's cozy, let's go to bed early, watch Suits, and that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!